everyone, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be setting up my budget for the month of February. And also, I want to apologize for my nails. They're like super ugly right now. I haven't had the time to actually like do them. Hopefully I'm on the right thingy. So I bought February budget stickers from Sweet Semi Designs. So I don't normally deviate from the people I buy stickers for, but I wanted to try something new and see how they, something different looks like. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay, and then there's a February. There's a 2020 sticker, but I'm not gonna add it in here. Also, her stickers are quite cheap. She sent me a bunch, and it was only like $12 compared to other stickers that I actually spent around 20 or 20. Usually it's like 20 something. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know what that was, but there's another one in here. That says February budget. I'm going to ignore that one. Are they separate? Oh, they are. Okay, so I can use it somewhere else. I didn't know this was in here. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of washi. I have like a bunch of washi headers, so I think it's a good deal. Oh, there's another washi in here. Another washi in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with so much washi. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish this because it's a little too long, I think, for my planner. Yeah, it is long. Oh, whatever. Okay, so my expected income for the only job I have is $2,035. So job expected is $2,035. As you guys may or may not remember, I don't get paid for the holidays, and I didn't work the Cesar Chavez, so that brought me down for 1 hour, which is like $120 or so for the day. Oh. Okay, yeah, I don't appreciate them being too long, because she actually asked me for the length of the planner I have, but yeah, they're very long. I'm gonna have to cut that. Okay, and then I have my variable expenses here. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so my first variable expense is gas, and I budget $140 for this. Then I have groceries, and I budget $50. I have my laundry, and I budget $20. Then I have my allowance, and I'm gonna budget $20 as well. Then after that, I have my sinking funds, and this is $200. $100 per paycheck. Then I have the dry cleaners. I need to take my coat. It looks really gross. It's a camel tone, so if you get a little stain, it'll be super obvious. And I'm budgeting $25 for this. Then I have a plan of maybe doing my own stickers, and right now I have a couple of designs that are looking alright. So I was thinking maybe I would like to have an Etsy shop in the future for stickers, and not only budget stickers but regular planner stickers as well. So I'm just trying to put some money aside so I can start it, because you do need to buy a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna do Etsy, and this is 145, but we'll see. I might change my mind halfway through the month. You never know with me. Then I'm actually going to a baby shower. It's my cousin's baby shower. She's having a baby boy, and I'm budgeting 40 for this. And according to me, that's it. Hopefully that's it. I don't think I have anything else I would like to add, or that I can actually afford. First of all, starting there. And my first fixed expense is the rent, and I usually pay 362. Then I have the internet, or my share of the internet, and this is 32. Then I have Discover, and my minimum payment is 35, but I am rolling over like a snowball debt fashion. The amount I was paying to Capital One plus the minimum payment from Discover is 60. Then I have my student loan, and this is 87. Then I have the gym, or my gym membership. This is 10. After I have my insurance, and it is 147. Then I have Apple Music, and this is 10. Then I have my car payment, and this is 364. Oh, that's the wrong sticker. Okay. Yeah, I just realized. Darn it. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Okay, and the total for my variable expenses is 640, and the total for my fix is 1,082. Well, no, 1,072. 1,072. Okay, now I can use this one, but now I don't know if it actually fits. Oh, it does. So I'm gonna put it down here, because over here I'm gonna need the space, and the stickers are a little bit too long. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna move you a little bit. Oh my god, I don't like this. It is way too long. Something actually to keep in mind, since I am planning on creating my own stickers. So measurement. Okay, so what did I say? Oh yeah, totals variable is 640, and fixed is 1,072. I'm gonna have to use my work phone to calculate this, because I am using my iPhone to record this. Actually, I am planning on selling my camera probably by the end of this week. Okay, so my total is 1,712. That's a lot of money. How much money I'm gonna have left? Minus 2,035. Gonna have 300 and $23 left. I'm not sure where that money will go because I need to pay my car registration in April, and then I have to do a couple of things to my car, like an oil change and whatever, but it is due on March as well. So I'm not sure if I should put that money aside to pay for my car. Also, the other dilemma is that, the other situation is the flights to Italy are cheap right now, and I might save the money for the airplane fare, but I'm not that sure. And this is completely crooked. I just noticed this. It's really bothering me. Hold on. Oh no, oh never mind. Okay, never mind, that's gonna stay there. I already did my things over here, and this was supposed to be my focus, car tops plus car repair or maintenance, but I'm not sure yet, and I need to set up my bills, which I think I'm gonna do in this video because it's not that long. And let me look for my bills. Okay, I can't find them. No, that's not it. Nope, nope, nope. Where are they? So many stickers. Oh, here. So these are the bills due stickers. And my first bill is on the 10, and it's the internet. I think I am going to put this one down. And I'm just gonna write 32. Then I have Discover on the 14. And Discover is 60. I'm just gonna write them all. Okay, then Discover is on the 14. Then I have my student loan on the 16. And this is 87. Okay, 16. On the 17, I have the gym membership, and the gym is 10. 17. Then on the 26, I have my car insurance. And this is 147. And then I have Apple Music. And this is 10. Then I have my car payment. And this is 364. And I think that's it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Mardi Gras. Do people celebrate that? I never celebrated. Oh man, that was on the 26th, not the 25th. Okay. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm gonna set up my paydays, I guess. I just realized she doesn't really have any like actual payday stickers. She has a credit card. I might as well use that one for Discover. But no, yeah, I don't see any paydays. I'm guessing it's this one, but I wish it said like actual payday. Whatever. Okay, my first payday is on the 7th. I'm gonna put it up here. And my second payday, it will be on the 21st. first. And since I have like a zillion washi tapes, I'm gonna put one up here. I think I'm gonna do this pink one. I don't even think I'm gonna go through all of these washi tapes, to be honest. It's a lot of washi. Okay, it's not even that. Oh my god, what am I doing today? I'm so tired, you guys. I just had the roughest week ever. I can't really go into details because it's confidential. Okay, and then what else can I do? Oh, I'm gonna put the baby shower date just in here, just so that, I don't know, I'm just gonna put it in there because I don't have anything else to do, and it's gonna be on the 16th. It's just to use stickers because there's too many stickers. Baby shower. Oh, baby shower. I don't know what else to do. I think I'm gonna put this one here because I have the other February somewhere. A headline. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna cover this February. Let's see if it fits. First of all, it does not fit. Never mind. I don't know where am I gonna use this big sticker. I truly don't know. I don't have any other space. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you celebrate Mardi Gras, because I never met anyone who actually does. So it's a weird holiday. So yeah, which is funny because I actually grew up as a Catholic and I know they do the parades, but I actually never been to one and I don't really party. Do you guys like party, get drink, go to not Florida, it's another state, is it Illinois, where they have this big Mardi Gras celebration and girls show their boobs to get necklaces? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.